What's up, gentlemen? So I have a question for you. Very important. I need you to be honest, though. Would you consider yourself a memorable person? When people meet you, are you somebody that they remember? Or are you just an average Joe? You meet somebody and they forget you as soon as you're gone. If you want to kick ass in this world, people better remember you. And so today, I'm going to go over a few tips that I want you to implement today in order to stop being an average Joe. The first tip to stop being an average Joe and start being memorable: stop talking and start doing. The internet is full of dudes who like to do this. They talk about this, they talk about that. I'm going to do this. I'm such a hustler. I'm grinding away. Always running that mouth. They're always talking about what they're gonna do, how great they're gonna be. If they can just do this, then they're gonna be this. Gentlemen, here's the deal. You gotta stop talking and start doing. There is no better time to get to work than now. Which brings us to the second thing you need to do to stop being an average Joe, which is get to work. If you ever want to be successful, if you want to ever be something other than an average Joe, you've got to get ready to bust your ass. And you don't need to talk about it. You don't need to tell everybody how hard you're working and how much you're grinding. This is a sign that hangs in my office because I am such a firm believer that you can accomplish anything in this world that you want to, but you've got to be willing to put in the time, put in the energy, and put in the work. When most people see successful people up here, they don't realize all of the work that went into actually getting here. They just see the finished result. Gentlemen, there's a whole lot of shit that you got to do in order to get to the top of that mountain. But the deal is this: it's not sexy. It's not fun. It's going to mean that you've got to give up going out with some of your friends and drinking all the time. But if you truly want to be successful and unforgettable, you're going to do it because you understand the value of hard work and you're not afraid to go out and grab it. Third thing that you got to stop doing in order to avoid being an average Joe is stop having an average Joe mindset. You've got to believe in yourself. One of the things that kills me, and the reason why I do what I do on this channel, is because I need to get it through your thick freaking head how incredible you are. You have all of the power in the world to accomplish anything, to do anything and everything that you want. But unfortunately, we get so beaten down by our past. We get beaten down by all those small little insignificant people in our life that tell us we can't, we shouldn't, we won't. You gotta get these toxic people away from you and surround yourself with people that believe in you, that will lift you up the way that you will lift them up, which actually is number 4. Lift them up. Gentlemen, you make somebody feel good about themselves, you encourage them, you help them along the way. There is nothing that's going to make you more memorable. You hear a lot about mentors and people that have really made an impact on people's lives that they never forget. It's the people that help them along their way when these people had nothing to gain. It's about giving of yourself selflessly and not expecting anything in return. This is going to make you one memorable motherfucker. The next thing I need you to do to stop being an average Joe is stop blending in with everybody else. You've got to be willing to be a rebel. Be a rebel. Gentlemen, here's the thing. If you want to set yourself apart from everybody else, you cannot fit in. Do not follow the masses. You've got to be willing to be an individual. And if you want to smell amazing, Rebel, the new incredible fragrance by Pete and Pedro. Smoothest product plug ever. If you haven't been to Pete and Pedro in a while, gentlemen, things have changed. We're a lot more than just incredible hair products like Putty, the most incredible matte product on the market, period, or sea salt spray, which this stuff, game changer, pre-styler, volume, ridiculous. We now have grooming toolkits, shampoo, a brush, scalp massager, this thing in the shower, gentlemen, ridiculous. We got beard oil, we got body wash, and dop kits for days. But something we recently got into that we have been really excited about, guys, is the cologne game. This is Rebel, the new fragrance by Pete and Pedro. It is an EDP. For those of you frag heads, you know what an EDP is. It lasts longer. It's got a higher concentration of the oils that make this stuff smell. Incredible. Gentlemen, hit the link and read the reviews. People are loving the new Rebel. And the beautiful thing about it, guys, it's under $50. And with that discount code down below, guys, it makes it even more affordable. Something else for you guys out there that like to smell good but don't want to tote this big ass bottle around with you when you travel, we also now have this, which is the Refillable Travel Sprayer. The way that it works, there's a little nozzle on the bottom. Use it, you just remove the top nozzle of your bottle, and then that little tip goes on the bottom of your travel sprayer. And then you just pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. And what you're doing is filling up the little reservoir of the travel sprayer. Also, if you're not sure what hair product is going to be right for you to prevent your hair from looking average, we also have an incredible tool. If you go to PeteandPedro.com, we've got the hair product recommendation tool. You tell us what style, how much hold, how much shine, and we will make a custom recommendation for you. Gentlemen, all the information and links are down below, along with that incredible Pete and Pedro discount code. The next thing that's going to set you apart from everybody else is stop being pessimistic. This world is full of people. All they do, all they want to do, all they were born to do is bitch. And they are pessimistic and they are energy vampires, sucking the life out of everybody and everything that they do. Pessimists suck big, hairy, unmanscaped monster nuts, which is not a good thing. And if you want to set yourself apart from all of the big, hairy, unmanscaped monster nuts that are pessimistic, you gotta be optimistic. You gotta think about things in an optimistic fashion. When I meet somebody and they're pessimist, I'm like, oh my God, get away from me. But when I meet somebody who is uplifting and optimistic, I'm like, yo, let's talk a little more. The last thing is the most important thing that you need to do to not be average and forgotten by other people, which is be you. Just be a better version of you and be brave enough to let the world know who you are. Gentlemen, I know that you're incredible. I know that you're amazing. Does everybody else, or are you too scared? Are you sitting on the sideline? Gentlemen, time and life does not wait for anybody. If you want something, you've got to go out and grab it. Nobody is going to knock on your door and deliver you a pizza and success, or a girlfriend, or riches, or fame, or friends. Gentlemen, you've got to be willing to go out and grab it. But the beautiful thing is that you are incredible. You've just got to make sure that you are willing to share it, to showcase it, because if you do, there is nobody that's going to ever forget you.